Hey there guys, I just wanted to show you how you can straight edge a board that's kind of wavy and out of, it's not straight. Like if you can look down that's not straight. Kind of curves in and out a little bit. Same thing on the other side. So if you have, here, same thing on this one. We're not straight on either side. So what I did is I just took a long board, put a little block on the end, flush with this side. Same thing down here, little block on the end. Take your long board, put it over one side of the board that you want to straighten. Measure it. So 7 inches. You set it to the shortest point. So I'll set it to like 6 15/16. Perfectly straight now. Yeah. Now I can just work off this edge and cut it to what I need.